Devintelle Helpdesk Management app. Manage customer and employee support ticket all in one place with this powerful Helpdesk app. View all tickets, states and analytics easily with the advanced Helpdesk dashboard. Create and manage teams to handle tickets more efficiently. Auto-create tickets from email by connecting your email server. Let users send support requests directly from the website. Customers can sign and accept tickets directly from the portal. Assign a single ticket to multiple users if needed. Track how long each ticket takes with start and end time. Merge similar tickets into one to avoid confusion. Track who changed the ticket stages and when it happened. Update text on many tickets with just one click. Send auto alerts to users when a new ticket is created. Users can create tickets from chat using the tickets command. Control who sees and does vote using users role like admin, leader and user. Make your own ticket stages based on your process. Send status update and feedback request using ready email templates. Customers can track their tickets using a ticket number on a portal. Customers can close or cancel their tickets online easily. Attach documents to Helpdesk ticket for better tracking. Add and save detailed solution even with files and images. Set email reminders for tickets nearing their due date. Assign many tickets to user in one click. Update multiple tickets details quickly in bulk. Send ticket updates via WhatsApp using custom templates. So ready to transform your Helpdesk? Contact us today at 87805 43446 or email at odoo@devintelle.com.